Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have a free virtual number for WhatsApp. Now first thing first, we'll go through Google and then we'll search for virtual phone number. Now we're going to type virtual phone number. We'll give various options, but we'll be choosing dial pad for our virtual phone number. So basically, you are going to have a free 40 days trial that you can use to get a free virtual phone number, and basically with this you'll be able to use WhatsApp. So you have to simply click on sign up and then you have to go on and sign up to your account. Here we'll be choosing an account, select continue, and let the page load. So as you can see here, you'll be able to choose to select a country, so you can go and select one of these countries and it is going to give us a number and the number needs to be reserved. Next we can see two different packages for the app. Now next we have to fill the details of our payment. Also you can see we don't have to pay any amount today because we have 14 days trial. So we'll click continue, but make sure to copy the number that has been given. Now we'll go to WhatsApp app and then use the virtual number provided and create our account. So here's how you can create a WhatsApp account without a number. Thanks for watching.